Morning all. So we're currently somewhere here in the island of Bali. Decided to go check out a waterfall. I believe it's called Kanto Waterfall, near the place of where we're staying. To give you an idea of what we're looking at seeing, Lord willing, it will be that there. So let's see what we get to see here shortly. They have food available for you if you are hungry when you arrive. Wow, gives you an idea of what you can get. It's a downhill climb from here. Only reach down to the bottom. And you've got more stores here, more vendors, whatnot. If you forgot your bikini or whatnot, there's plenty there. Want some artifacts. So, again, more food as we continue our walk downward. Now we're at the entrance here for the waterfall. Looks like we still have a further ways to go down. Continuing with the steps, going further down, and the walk continues going down. So we're near the bottom. You can see here, thankfully, they've actually posted things where they're located at, such as the waterfall, the toilet, the bathrooms, you know. And then look at this view of the folks here waiting in line to take pictures in the waterfall. As we continue going down, you can see how the water from up on top comes down to the side. And you got folks all over the place, and it looks like this is the line to watch people to get pictures. I don't think we're waiting. We're going to go around.